Welcome students, this is your systems test review. Our test is going to be on Friday 11/20, which should be tomorrow. This is the packet that we sent home. You're going to bring that packet back into class. We'll discuss some of the problems in class as well. But I wanted to give you an opportunity to be able to see some of the most important ones for the test as well. Alright, so a big portion of the test is going to be reading these paragraphs and picking out the two equations. So I'm going to color code this. So my two equations are, my first one starts here with S is 260 less than 3 times D. So S equals 260 less is minus 260. 3 times D is 3D. And so I start to look through my answer choices. And I don't see an S equals 3D minus 60. Oh yeah, there it is, down there. Alright, so I feel like those other ones are now wrong. Let's just keep looking. The next one is the difference in S and D is 256. So the difference in S and D is 256, and so there's your right answer. Sorry, I was thrown off by that. I was thinking that was a negative, but that should be a minus symbol right there. Okay. Alright, next one. Alright, on this one we're going to do our four-step method. Remember, our four-step method is step 1 is left parenthesis, step 2 is opposite of x, step 3 is our right parenthesis, step 4 is divide by y number. Okay, so we divide by the y number. So I'll write in red so you can see the difference. So left parenthesis, opposite of 3x, right parenthesis, divide by y. So I took that and entered in my calculator right there. This one was already solved, so I didn't need to do anything. I entered it into my calculator right there. I hit graph, and once I get the graph to come up, I could see that these guys hit each other, and that's one solution. So then I did second, trace, 5, and then I did enter 3 times in a row. And I found out the solution is 2, 3, right there. Alright. Next one here, I'm still doing my four-step method. So I did left parenthesis, opposite of 2x, right parenthesis, divide by 3. And that one went right up there. And I did left parenthesis, opposite of 6x, right parenthesis, divide by 9, and that one went right up there. I pushed graph, and I got this picture. This picture, these lines never touch each other, so this is no solutions. So no real solution. Okay? If I had got one solid line, this is infinite solutions. Or some books will write all real numbers. This is all real solutions. Okay? Alright, so now let's take a look at a word problem where it's all, you're going to write the whole thing. So we have Ken and Alan equal 62. So we have to let one be x, one be y, and means add, is means equal. So x plus y equals 62. Then Ken, who is our x, is equals 32 years older, so that's plus 32. And we're going to plus 32 to Alan, which is our y. Okay. Put some ones in front of all these guys here, and I'm going to do my steps. So left parenthesis, opposite of 1x, right parenthesis, divide by 1. So that one went up there. On this one, it's not in the same format, so I flipped it and did 1y plus 32 equals 1x over here. So then I did left parenthesis, opposite of 32, divide by 1. Put it in there. When I first looked at the picture, I couldn't see any lines, so I zoomed out. When I zoomed out, I could see both lines, but I couldn't see them hitting each other, so I zoomed again, and then I was able to find this intersection. So this took 2 zooms to get there, and we do a zoom by doing zoom, 3, enter. Alright, bring this into class on Friday so you can show us that you watched the video. We'll give you some extra points, and then bring this packet so that we can continue going over it in class.